guys to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create the fifth level of Squid Game using Python. So let's get started. Okay, so we are in the game. The first thing we need to do is create a new game and then from do from Ursina import everything. Next, from Ursina dot prefabs dot first person controller import first person controller. Okay, so we have the setup ready. Now we need to do app is equal to Ursina then player first person controller then v. So in the first person controller brackets we put collider. So collider is equal to box. Excuse me. Okay, now we need to create a ground. So ground is equal to entity. Okay, so the mesh, wait, yes, the mesh is equal to plane, comma. Then we have our texture is equal to grass, comma. Then we have our collider is equal to mesh. And then the last thing we have scale is equal to, okay, so the mesh is actually model. So the model and then the scale is actually thirty. Sorry, 30. Then we have a 0, then a 3. 30, 0, 3. And then at the end we put app dot run. Let's test it out. So we have okay. So yep. Now let's test the game out. It's loading. And yes, it's working perfectly. You can see that this a little bit plain type of model. So yes, I like this. Okay, let's get this. Okay. Okay. So now we need a pill. So the 4 pills that hold the glass. So pill 1 is equal to entity, a model is equal to cube. It should be a cube type of model. Then we will have a color. It's the violet color. So color is equal to color dot violet. Then we have a scale. So the scale should be equal to 0.4. Then we have a 0.1. After that, finally 53. Okay, the z. So we now have to check out the z and the x positioning. So z is equal to 28 and the x is equal to 0.7. Okay, so now we have the pill 1 ready. The pill 2 and the pill 3, pill 4 are just the duplicate of pill 1. So what we need to do is simple. Pill 2 is equal to duplicate. So duplicates. So sorry, duplicate pill 1, but the x is just equal to 3.7 minus 3.7. So minus 3.7. Then pill 3 is equal to duplicates pill 1. Then we'll have x is equal to 0.6. And then at last we have pill 4, which is equal to duplicate pill 1, and then x is equal to 3.6. And yeah, also for pill 1, the x will be minus 0.7. And let's check it out. So let's run the game. Okay, please work. And oh my gosh, it looks better than I thought. Like we have the ground to start already with a nice little fashion. And then we also have the 4 pills which I just fell off. Okay, that's fine. The next thing is a place to end with. Sorry, I'm sick, so I'm a little coughing. So yep. Now what we need next is the glass plates that we have in the game. Okay, so let's get ready with it. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, okay, so now let's start with it. So after this, we need to type. Okay, so after this, we need to type. Okay, so first we'll need to import something. So let's delete all these made it imports. I don't know how it came there. So let's now import. So from random import rand int. Okay. Then after that, you will have a list of called blocks is equal to empty list. Then after that, you have for I in range 12. We will quickly block is equal to entity. model. So let's add the model. So the model will be equal to cube. So cube. And then we will have a collider, which is box. Okay. Then the color is equal to color dot white 33. It will be all a little bit transparency white. The white will be a little bit transparent to make it look like glass. So now we have to add the position is equal to, we will have brackets and 2.0. Then we'll have 2.0.1, sorry. Then we will have 3 plus I times 4. This is maths and I like maths. Okay, so now next what we need is the scale. So what the scale will be is scale is equal to 3.0 3 0.1, then 2.5. So 3, then we'll have a 0.1, then 2.5. Then after that we will, this is done. Now it is block 2 time. So block 2 is equal to duplicate block 1 and so block actually is not block 1, I forgot. Then the x is equal to minus 2.2. Okay. Now the next thing is blocks dot append block and block 2. So now it's blocks dot append block and then block 2, then random with 0, 3 and then greater than 0, then a comma, then after that random 0.3. So 0 and 3, 0, 3 and then is that greater than 0. So we have some errors. Where is that error? Okay, so we need a comma, comma. Okay, what is the error? Did I miss anything over there? Let me just see the problem. This is not closed. Okay, where is it not closed? Let's just ignore that and run it. Perhaps you forgot a comma here. It's saying that I forgot a comma. Okay, the error is gone now. Let's check it out. And my gosh. Well, it works. Just the thing is that the collider is not working. And the reason of that is I should have not added wait, the collider should be there. Wait a second, everybody. There's a little problem here. Okay, okay, everything is good. Everything is good. Oh, I'm scared a little bit. Okay. So the block is working, but there's a little problem for block 2. Let's check it out. Oh, now everything is working. I think it's just because that I missed the jump. Sorry, everyone. Okay, so now what we need is a pillar where we would end our game. Okay, so now we should add a goal here. So we need an end place that will be our goal. So what I would do is in this for iron range, we would get out of the it and put goal is equal to another entity model. Model is equal to cube, and then we will have a scale, and so the model is cube, the scale is 10, then 1, then 10. So it is 10, then 1, then 10 again. Okay. Now we should put a Z is equal to 55, and before both of them we should put a model is equal. So we have put the model is equal to cube. We also need to put the color. So the color is equal to color dot brown. Brown looks quite good for me. Okay, now is the pillar. So pillar is equal to entity then a model is equal to cube, then the color is the same color, so color is equal to color dot brown. We should add a comma, and then lastly we'll need a scale is equal to 1, 15, 1. And now what is the bug? This was not closed in line this. Okay, now let's check it out. Please look good, please look good, please look good. Okay, sorry, my mouse is a little tangled. Wait a second, let me check it out now. So, okay, yeah, it is working, but whoa, 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 whoa. It is working. Let's look at here. Wee, wee, wee. Oof, I fell down. But yes, everything is working properly. Sorry. Now, the last thing is the glass breaking and falling. So, yep, we have created a whole level. So now the only thing is the glass breaking, as I told you. So let's try it out. Okay, so now we will do this update. So update, then what we would do is call for block 1, block 2, K, N in blocks. We would do for X and then Y in block 1, block 2. So block 1 and K, not block 1, block 2, block 1 and K. And then we have another one with block 2 and with, so we have it with block 1, block 2, and then lastly with N. So this is the whole thing. Now we would do a if X dot intersect and Y, then we would invoke destroy X and delay is equal to 0.1. Lastly, X dot fade out. And yep, this is the whole thing. Let's check it out. Oops. Okay. I literally fell down on my first jump. Wish I was more lucky. Okay. Oops. Okay. Next time I'm gonna try the same. Wait, what? I died again. Okay. So yeah, basically the glass is falling and I'm so unlucky. So yep, the glass is falling and the game is done. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. And till next time, Dipansh video time is out.